Homeowners in Texas have long had to deal with oppressive glare and heat caused from the bright sun that is famous in the Lone Star State. But many don't know that there's actually something they can do to combat it. Meet the team at Home Window Tinting and Commercial.
Home Window Tinting and Commercial is a company that applies window film of all sorts to flat glass in homes, offices. We do safety and security film to keep the bad guys out. Our most popular product is called 3M Night Vision 15. Technically cuts 85% of the visible light or glare. That might sound like a really scary number, but if you put visible light into perspective, on all the newer homes that have low E windows, those low E windows are already cutting 50% of the visible light.
Tinting your home windows also provides a high level of privacy and protects your furniture and art from fading.
I'd say it makes their quality of life more comfortable, more manageable. Especially in a home, reducing the heat or glare coming in will really help them just have a more comfortable home and or business. I like helping people, and I'm really more of a detail-oriented person, and with window film, that's something you really have to pay attention to. It's a lot of details, so you make one mistake and you might have to redo something. So I take pride in just doing a perfect job.
Our reputation over the last 32 years is we always do what we say we're going to do when we say we're going to do it. We are very proud of our reputation. We hire the right people, we keep the right people. Quality is not up for debate.
Tinted windows have an added benefit in the case of severe weather. They can protect against shattered glass during a high wind event, which can save life and property.
Weather's super crazy here. If there's impact on the glass from hail or from windborne debris, the film always helps hold the glass together.
Window film, in general, a lot of people don't know about it. You think about tinting your car, but you never really think about tinting your home or your business. And a lot of that's just knowledge or just the fact that people don't know about it. And so we try to get the word out as much as possible to let people know that you can do those things and they are available out there to help, just protect your home and business.
I love this business because this product works. It simply works. It does so many things. It's a product that save on energy, allow you to see out during the day perfectly, reduce your electric bill. There's always going to be houses to do. There's always going to be commercial buildings to do. When people move out, they want something different, and that goes for commercial as well as residential. So the source of the work is always going to be there.
To find out more about home window tinting, visit hometint.com and designingspaces.tv.